The meaning of life is to find your gift. The purpose of life is to give it away. William Shakespeare.
Join us as we travel through the Capture Capsule. As we're preparing to launch our first series to the channel, that time we went to, you'll have to subscribe to find out where we went. As a teaser, we'll fill you in on that portion of the series that takes place in our past travels through Europe, as well as a few trips that we've taken throughout the US.
Okay, let's take this moment for a brief history on the extent of our travels. At this point, I had taken a handful of road trips with my family to Florida and California. Flew on a plane for the first time when I was 22 when I visited Vegas with my cousin Homer and his friend Brandon. What up, bro? Oh, and I can't forget, I was born in Ohio. However, my first time leaving the country was again with my family to the borders of Mexico when I was in elementary school, which pretty much sums up the extent of my travels.
I, on the other hand, served in the Marine Corps and was given the chance to live in Okinawa, Japan for 2 whole years. This allowed me to experience and immerse myself in all of the differing cultures of Southeast Asia. I took a trip to Mount Fuji and rode a bullet train to Tokyo. I ate bulgogi and drank soju with local South Korean natives. And I was even lucky enough to have the Chamorro local natives of Tinian throw a luau with Saipan fire dancers prior to us leaving the island. This whole experience at such a young age of 20 really accelerated my personal growth and love for new experiences. And now, to be able to share these experiences with all of you truly is icing on the cake.
Okay, now that you have a brief background on the extent of our travels as individuals, it's been said that you don't really know someone until you've traveled with them. We like to think this moment took place when we took our 3-week-long backpacking trip to Europe, where we were ready to embark on visiting 5 different countries. Being newlyweds, we wanted to take away as much of the stress out of the situation by going and being prepared. We watched hours of YouTube videos, reading articles and blogs from countless travelers who'd done this sort of thing for a living.
Finding vloggers who were awesome enough to not only share their experiences, but tips on the things to look out for and ways of getting the most for your buck while traveling abroad in general. Shout out to the Vaga brothers, Alex and Marco Ailing, for playing a large part in the planning, and the Endless Adventure, Eric and Allison, for recommending the best travel foods during that time.
We hope you're as excited as we are for the launch of the travel series. Stay tuned for our first episode, that time we went to London. In the meantime, check out some of our daily shorts. We also want to end the video by thanking everyone who has taken the time to watch and subscribe to our channel. It truly means a lot to be sharing our story with all of you.